like Prokope Academy. In Prokope Academy, I learned a lot of things. We got so many relations, so many friends. I really love how I could express my creativity there. I really love how I can be free in these workshops. Hello everyone, my name is Gutiarti Amarasani, but you can call me Tia. I am 18 years old and I am from SMA Negeri 1 Ubud, but I will graduating this year. It's a pleasure to meet you guys. So back in the days in my school, I am someone who loved to make creativity, like I love designing and stuff, but I don't have the place to pour my creativity. So then my teacher asked me about to join the, what is it called, workshops, and it was held by Prokope, so I was interested in those, so I joined the workshops, and apparently I'm really interested in this kind of workshops. So later on I really joined a lot of Prokope's workshops. That's why I know Prokope. I really like Prokope Academy. In Prokope Academy, I learned a lot of things. The volunteer, like we got so many relations, so many friends. I really love how I could express my creativity there. I really love how I can be free in these workshops. I joined so many Prokope's programs, Prokope's workshops, that I have the chance to get an internship with Prokope's company partners. And well, I'm really grateful because of that, because with joining this internship, I have so many new friends and I can learn new skills like designing and something I haven't tried before, and it really interests me so much. I'm an internship at Catalyze. I'm managing the contents on Instagram. I work for the design of the contents, like I'm editing their videos, I'm shooting their videos and how it should be. I'm making it more entertainment for people to entertain with those videos so that they can see more Catalyze content. I might consider getting a job to be a designer, a content designer, or content editing like that, because I like this kind of job. It's okay if you don't feel like you're capable of doing it, but what's important the most is the experience, because I am too not capable of editing before, but because of the experience I got, I could do it now. If you feel nervous about it, please don't be nervous. This place is really kind to newbie like you, so join the workshops and internship.